Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to dive deep into the world of private property and why so many people are hesitant to enter the market. And if you have guessed the answer correctly, is yes, it is ABSD or additional buyer stamp duty as is known. It's actually the hefty price tag that comes along with owning a second property. And it's causing a lot of HDB owners and even private property owners to hesitate. Now let us take a look at the numbers. So let's say if you do want to buy a 1.5 million private property, in 2013 the ABSD required was 7%, which amounted to 105,000. Not too bad, right? But fast forward to 2018, the additional buyer stamp duty has jumped to 12%, which is about 180,000. And as of 2021, the ABSD required for a second property is a whopping 70% or 255,000. Think it will stop there? I doubt it. I think it could very well hit 20% in the near future. The bottom line is that the entry bar to owning a second property while keeping your HDB as a passive income or base home is getting higher and higher, up to a point that is only achievable by a very small percentage of HDB owners. But don't lose hope just yet. There's actually a way to make your dreams of owning a second property a reality, even in this tough market. It just take a little unconventional thinking and some creative strategies. That's where I come in. I'm here to help you to navigate the complex world of property ownership and figure out a plan that works just for you. And if you're looking to generate passive income or secure a backup plan, we can actually explore the opportunities together. Just drop me a WhatsApp or fill out the Google form in the description box below, and let's chat over coffee or Zoom. And there you have it. Don't let ABSD hold you back from achieving your property ownership goals. With the right guidance and a little bit of creativity, anything is possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.